Guys, what's going on? Hoping you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'm gonna be telling you guys different ways you can make money using your smartphone. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. You guys like this video because it's gonna be lit, you know. Just like this video. You're not ready for this content, guys. So these are 7 different ways you can make money using your smartphone. Yeah, the first way you can make money is through clicking ads. I know this one is very common. So in case you've not heard of this before, clicking ads is whereby there are sites that are there that give you ads, small videos. You click on them and you get paid. So in case you're wondering which are some of these sites, we have Swagbucks. These are the ones I know. We also have Get Paid. We have iWage. Okay, there are so many different sites that you can get paid to click on ads. So you can use your smartphone and Google these sites and then use them. So this means that you'll need Wi-Fi because you'll be watching videos. And it's so easy. Someone will ask, how can I just sit and all I do is watch videos for 1 hour? This is the trick, guys. You can leave your phone watching or running that video, do your utensils, do blah blah blah, and then you're done. By the time you're done, itakuwa imejiwatch, you know, such kind of tricks, and get paid with your smartphone. Okay, another way you can make money with your smartphone is through online trading. Guys, I know most of you already have this kind of apps in your phone. Like if you don't have, if you're not, you know, using online trading to make money, I don't know what you're doing right now. I know you've seen people, especially in CBD, huko Nairobi, watu wanabeba gazeti hapa, and the whole day mtu anazunguka tu na gazeti, and in the afternoon atakuwa na mado, like they will still have money. People are actually doing this to make money. So you do that one is offline trading, whereby you trade with stocks. Yeah, I know you've seen those pages on magazines. I should even do a full video on how to make money using stocks. Those stock exchange rates are usually in the magazines. But guys, if you're not an expert on stocks, please don't do this because you can go losses. So what you're going to do is take your money or put your money, and then at the end of the day, the easy stocks zina panda. So when they rise, you know, you get profit. Yeah, that's how people are actually making so much money these days. And then the crazy thing is that now you can make this money online using your smartphone. So yeah, another way you can make money using your smartphone is posting videos on YouTube. So I've always told you guys, it's so easy to do videos. For example, I am filming using my phone. Like, how cool is that? So what you're gonna be doing, just take your phone instead of all day doing TikTok videos. Film a very important video that you can post on YouTube to inform us, to entertain us, to educate us, to show us how to do something. Anything that you can do that is unique, post on YouTube. Yeah, instead of staying idle, this is like an investment, you know. When you post on YouTube, with time, when your followers or subscribers grow, you're gonna start making money. For example, you guys have seen ads on my channel. Don't skip those ads. They are the ones that are paying me, although it's little, but it's enough. Okay, so guys, don't skip those ads. Okay, the fourth way you can make money is through social media. I know many people have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, CG WhatsApp. Let me tell you how you can make money with each of these social medias briefly within 2 seconds. So on Instagram, you can make money by becoming a brand influencer or a brand ambassador. So you're going to be advertising for some company and get paid. You can even write to these companies. Like if you have followers, for example, you have like 5,000, 10,000 followers, you can write to these companies and they give you promotions or something. Especially if your Instagram account is related to one specific niche. So, or you can look for a company that you like or something of that sort and advertise for them. Another way you can do is sell your products on Instagram or on Facebook. For example, if you have a business, market yourself there. If you sell clothes, maybe secondhand, post pictures of those clothes there, give your contacts, something of that sort. This is how people are making money on social media. So instead of just using social media for entertainment, you can make money with social media. Another way you can make money with your smartphone is through selling ebooks. So this one is so easy. I've talked about this before. So what you're going to do is to compose an ebook or sell ebooks that have already been written. So what you're gonna be needing is to market these books so much. So instead of staying on Facebook doing a lot of jokes and quote tu chenye watu anapost hapo, market the ebooks, tell people that you're selling ebooks. You can also market these books on WhatsApp or on Instagram. Yeah, and then sell them in the meantime as you're using your phone. So there are so many ways you can do this. You can also compose your own ebooks or write your own ebooks. Maybe how to do this, how to grow a business, maybe a farm business, how to tie whatever. Yeah, there are so many things you can do. Maybe if you know relationships, give us relationship tips on a book and then sell it in PDF form. You can sell to your friends, you can sell them online. Yeah, there are so many sites that you can sell ebooks. You can even write a book that is, very serious, even a story, and then sell it on Amazon Kindle. There are so many ways you can make money with selling ebooks. Sixth way you can make money with your smartphone is being an affiliate marketer. So what you're going to do is to look for a company that you want to market for or that you want to work with, and then be the affiliate marketer to that company. So it only involves you and a product that you want, and then market that product online, maybe Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Then once a person buys that product, you're gonna get paid a commission. So the more you sell, the more money you make. So the best thing for this one is to have many products that you're selling. Maybe you love makeup. You can give people a link to a certain makeup product that you love, and then when they use that link to buy the product, you get paid. The best way is to advertise. Tell them, people, I've been using this eyeshadow palette so many times and it's working. You can even prove to people by applying it on your face, and then now tell them, if you need it, get it on Jumia or get it on Kilimall or get it on Amazon, whichever site or link that you give. When people use that link, you get a commission. And yeah, that's it, guys. Another way you can make money is through Facebook Marketplace. I don't know if you guys have seen Facebook Marketplace. That one is a very easy way to make money. Like, Facebook has made it easy for us to make money. So what you're going to do is have like an online shop or something of that sort. So maybe you're selling clothes. Some people don't like going to the market atikuza uko kwa soko. So if you don't want to go to the market to sell your products, you can sell them online in Facebook. So you take a picture, maybe you're selling dresses or trousers or jackets or hoodies. So you take pictures of those items and then post them on Facebook Marketplace and put a price and location. So if people want that product, they are going to buy them. So you need to make sure that that picture looks so attractive. It should be eye-catching so that people can get attracted to buy that product. Yeah, and make sure if people want it to be delivered, you can do that. You can charge them the delivery fee or something of that sort. So it's so easy to sell products right now. And guys, you can make online shop your side hustle. So if you have a 9-to-5 job, you can buy products like mats, carpets, and be selling them online. And I don't think that requires any energy because your work is to post pictures and put them there. If someone wants them, you pack the thing and then you transport or ship it to them. Yeah, guys, like this video if you enjoyed it. If you found any of this useful, comment down below. If you have any questions, I'll be definitely answering them. See you guys from 1st October. I'm gonna be posting a video each and every day, so I'm hoping you guys are ready for this, a video on how to make money on different platforms. Okay, I hope at the end of 31 days you guys will have 1 or 2 side hustles. Yeah, I'm really enjoying this. Hoping to see you guys there. In the meantime, you can watch my other videos, guys. Bye.